Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to try to answer the question, can I post the songs generated with Suno AI on Spotify, on YouTube, on TikTok? So as we can see in Suno AI we have three plans, free plan, pro plan and premium plan. So for the free plan there is no commercial use, while in the two other plans we have commercial use rights for new songs made and also for the premier plan also. So I found this article trying to answer this question from the help center in Suno AI. So can I distribute my songs to Spotify, etc.? Yes, well, let's talk about it. If you made your songs while subscribed to a pro or premier plan, those songs are covered by a commercial use license. This allows you to distribute songs to Spotify, Apple Music, and YouTube, TikTok using the distributor of your choice. This also allows you to use the songs in content you post to YouTube, as you can see, TikTok, etc. You don't have to attribute the songs to Suno. So I hope that the question was answered. I hope you liked the video. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you for watching.